Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the mobile data issues on the Redmi A5. Now first of all, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in your smartphone. Now to do that, just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with the smartphone in the box. Or you can use any SIM card ejection tool which you have. Now from here, just insert the SIM ejection tool in the SIM card hole at the left side of your smartphone. Now from here, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in the SIM tray. And also from here, just make sure that the SIM card does not have any scratches on it. Now once you do that, just insert the SIM card tray back into the smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, just open your smartphone and open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on network and internet. From here, just tap on SIMs. Now just tap on the name of your SIM card. From here, just scroll down and make sure to enable VoLTE. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on preferred network type. Now, if it is on 3G or 2G, just select 4G. Now, once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on System. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Reset Options. Now from here, just tap on Reset Mobile Network. Now just tap on Reset Settings. Now just enter your lock screen password. From here, just tap on Reset Settings. Now as you can see, all the network settings has been reset. Now just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on the screen. Just like that. And from here, just select Restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix all the mobile data issues on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix mobile data issues on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.